Alright guys, today we are going to do subtracting 4-digit numbers, and that's on page 132 to 133 of your textbook. So yesterday we learned two methods to add 4-digit numbers, and now we're going to use those same two methods to subtract 4-digit numbers from each other. Once again, your textbook contains many other methods and examples that you can use to do these kind of sums, but I really want to simplify it for you by giving you these two methods. And just a reminder that you can use any of these two methods that works best for you. So try them both and see which one works for you. So let's look at our first sum, and over here we are going to once again do the vertical method where we write the units under the units, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and thousands under thousands. So we have 9,724 minus 1,252, and then I have my line. Remember to write the minus. Okay, now I'm just going to subtract the bottom number from the top one. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. The next one is 2 minus 5. Now here's a tricky part. Some of you over there will write 3 because 5 minus 2 equals 3. But we have to remember that we are subtracting the bottom number from the top number and not the other way around. So if I have 2 apples, can I give 5 apples to my husband? Definitely not. I don't have enough. So I have to go borrow from my neighbor. So I have to borrow from the hundreds. So I'm going to cross out that 7 and make it a 6. And then I'm going to add a 1 over there, which I borrowed from there. Okay, because 100 is the same as 10 units. So now instead of having, not units, sorry, 10 tens. Okay, so now instead of having 2 tens, I have 12 tens. So 12 minus 5, if I have 12 apples, can I give 5 to my husband? Absolutely. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now I'm not going to use the 7, I'm going to use the 6 because I borrowed 1. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. And then 9 minus 1 equals 8. And there's my answer, 8,472. Next we're going to do the breakup method. So again, we're going to break up both of these numbers into thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. So my first one is 4,000, 8 hundreds, 6 tens, and 6 units, minus 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 unit. And now I'm going to subtract thousands from thousands, hundreds from hundreds, tens from tens, and units from units. So 4,000 minus 2,000 is 2,000. 800 minus 300 is 500. 60 minus 40 is 20. And 6 minus 1 is 5. Now I can add them all together. 2,525. There's my answer. Guys, the breakup method gets a bit tricky when one of these numbers are bigger than the numbers on this side. So if my units, for example, was 6 and a 9 over there, I cannot say 6 minus 9. Then it gets tricky because I have to go borrow. So what I suggest is have a look at the numbers first and see, are all of these numbers smaller than those numbers? If not, it's best to use the vertical the vertical method. Then you can easily borrow in the way that I showed you. Okay guys, enjoy today's activity. I hope to see you real soon. God bless. Bye.